Hey, what is up people? In this video, I'll be telling you how you can start affiliate marketing on Instagram. If you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies that will help you to build a passive, successful business online. So in this video, I'll be giving you my exact strategy which I'm following to promote affiliate products on Instagram. Let me tell you, you need to follow this strategy for at least 30 days with one particular product, and definitely if you follow this step by step, you are going to get successful. So now let me dive into the strategy of how to promote affiliate marketing products on Instagram. So the very first thing you have to do, you need to create your own profile on Instagram. As you can see, I've got this profile, and you need to write a good bio about yourself as to what you are doing. It doesn't matter in which niche you are into, but you need to have a good bio. Since I'm into make money online niche, so my bio is related to affiliate marketing and make money online. And on Instagram, you can only allowed to promote one particular link. That is why I said just pick one product and promote it for 30 days. And the strategy which you have to use is you need to promote 3 times every day. So the first post could be in the morning, the second could be in the afternoon, and the third one in the evening or night. But you need to stick to this schedule and promote and post 3 pictures, 3 posts every day. So the first post which you can do is about a motivation. So it doesn't matter which niche you are into, you need to motivate people to buy from you, to promote your product. You need to put motivation quotes. So for example, this is one of my motivating post which I have done, and I use the same template for all the posts, so you can also copy my same templates. So it says follow passive income methods for more advice on make money online. So that's my profile link, and look for the ultimate plan. And this is the offer which I'm promoting, which is the OFA challenge. This is the link which you need to put in the bio. And this link, once you click on it, it will take you to the OFA challenge, which is the One Funnel Away challenge from ClickFunnels and Russell Brunson. It's an awesome training to learn about how to build your own offer and how to promote other people's products as an affiliate. So this is the link, and these are all my bonuses. If you are interested in building your own business and creating your own product, then you should definitely check out One Funnel Away challenge. The link to it will be in the description down below, as I'm offering a lot of bonuses as well, which will help you to succeed along with the OFA challenge. So what I did, instead of putting this particular URL, I have used a service from tinyurl.com. Just go to this website and enter your big affiliate link over here and click on make tiny URL, and then it will pop out this particular link, something like this. So you need to put this link in your bio. For next 30 days you are only going to promote one product, and as I showed you, you're going to use the same template which I'm using. You can model your own template according to this. And the most important part is the hashtags. You need to use the top trending hashtags in your post. So what you can do for that, you need to go to Google and type top trending hashtags for Instagram, and just open the first website, which is the allhashtag.com. And from here you can get all the popular hashtags, like hashtags, follow hashtags related to different niches. So as you can see, dog hashtags, cat hashtags. So what you could do, you can just make a note of these hashtags and put different hashtags in different posts. So the first post in your day could be motivation post. The next post could be about the product which you're promoting. As you can see, I've used the same template but with different hashtags in this particular post. And you can also do the videos, the live videos or post some videos, short videos on Instagram. Again, I've used different hashtags. So this is the strategy which you need to follow. And let me tell you, if you follow it for 30 days, I'm sure you're going to build up your profile as well. And I'll say, if you follow it religiously, you are surely going to build relationships and maybe be able to get few sales under your belt through this particular method. So once you post your picture every day, you will see people start commenting on your post. So what you need to do, you need to interact with those people, just like their post as well, follow them back, and just thank them if they're putting something like amazing post. Just say thanks to them. That should build up a relationship with you, and it's the same you have to follow for all the posts which you will be doing. So as I showed you, this is my profile. You can model your profile based on my profile. I'll give you a link to my profile in the description down below, or you can also check it out through my Instagram username, which is Passive Income Methods, and there is a underscore at the end. So this is the entire blueprint of how to promote your products on Instagram. This is the way which I am doing, and I highly recommend you to do the same. And if you are serious about making money online and affiliate marketing, and there is a free course in the description down below. You can check that course out. It's totally free. And if you have any questions regarding affiliate marketing or make money online in business in general, just reach out to me. Just send me an email, contact me on Instagram, on Facebook, Twitter, wherever. All the links are in the description down below, and I'll personally help you out. And I'm not going to ask you for any money for helping you out, so don't worry about it. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you found some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.